Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on my channel me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls. European, American, Russian and Australian women. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. Surely you spend a lot of time on your smartphone and of course on Instagram and Facebook. Lika used to tell you how to correspond correctly there. Look, it's interesting there. I will share tips on how to upgrade your Instagram and Facebook account. I'll start with Instagram. Your account will become super popular and you will find new friends and love. If you're interested in this topic, support my vlog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. And I start. Here we go. Instagram is the most popular photo sharing and communication platform among young people. Participants show their lives by filming stories, sharing their thoughts and posts. It is a dynamic social network. Before upgrading, think, why do you need this? Are you just going to expand your circle of friends? By uploading a couple of photos a month, you won't promote your account or maybe you don't need it. So, you have set a goal. You want to upgrade your account to find the girl. Many are embarrassed to meet on the street. There are too few tourists because of the pandemic. Social network are salvation. An account is your face, clothes, even demeanor. Let's get it all in order. I'll tell you what to do. The first point of my great top, create original content. In the episode about photos for social networks, I said that it is important to post various photos from your life. Don't get hung up on posts. They are stories. They are more dynamic. You can show your life in them. A girl will fall in love faster if she watches your lifestyle, hobbies, habits. Are you fond of motorcycles? Show me how you ride. Have a dog? Make this photo. Girls love animals. Think of the content, be a trend. Try to give something new, unusual that it will attract girls. The content, of course, must be of high quality. I move on the second point of the top. Publish content regularly. It is enough to write posts 2-3 times a week, but it's better to shoot a story every day. If you are used to shooting often, come up with your own feature and style. If you publish several stories a day, do not dramatically increase the number. The change in tactics will be striking. Less is better, but more interesting. Show life in all its forms. Focus on humor. The girls will appreciate it. Moving on to point number 3. There is no universal time for publication. Many companies have done research and they all have different results. For example, some all recommends posting on Instagram from 5 to 6 p.m. and on Facebook from 1 to 4 p.m. Instagram has an algorithmic main feed. It shows what should interest you. So the publication time is no longer important. You can experiment and try to publish at different times and hours. This will help you determine your ideal time to post. But since there is no consensus, you cannot be distracted by this and post when convenient. The fourth point of my great top, you will find out that do not forget about hashtags and geolocations. Don't underestimate these little helpers. Posts with tags and geolocation get more views and likes. Girls search by hashtags, so they will find you. By the way, a lot of hashtags are annoying. The Track Maven research has determined the optimal number of hashtags under post 9. Do not exceed this figure. Point number 5. Don't write long descriptions under the photo. Instagram is a dynamic network. They do not like to waste time on long posts. Optimal size 150 characters. Instagram shows the first 3 lines of the description, so to see the rest, you need to click on a special button. Not everyone does it. Try to put the main point briefly. The main thing is that the signature matches the picture. It's interesting and intriguing. Girls' life intrigue. Good luck! Now you know how to upgrade your Instagram. Did you like it? Tell us how many subscribers you have, what techniques you use. By the way, have you watched Lika's episodes about how to start conversation on Instagram? There are basic features when meeting a girl. You might find it useful. Do you want to upgrade Facebook? I will talk about hashtags, linking to Instagram, the importance of a nickname. Then wait for the second part of this video, and in order not to miss, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Well, you won't leave me without your mighty like, will you? Bye bye!